Okay, this is just going to be a new quick video on the initial setup and inflation of the Vive 8-inch alternating pressure mattress. I have the mattress laid out here on our sample hospital bed. I've folded the red CPR valve over on the patient's upper right-hand side over onto the mattress so that you can see where that is. That red handle is attached to a plastic plug that will plug up 3 air holes in the mattress so that if somebody needed to be resuscitated on the mattress, or if the mattress just needs to be deflated for whatever reason, that strap can be pulled, those plugs will come out, and the mattress will deflate all the air out. Right now I have those sealed up. I've also got down here at the foot of the bed the pump attached to the footboard with the air hose connected here on the side. I've got it plugged in. So we'll just power this on. Now, if static mode doesn't activate right off the bat, the easiest way to get the mattress to inflate quickly and evenly is to activate static mode. So I'll turn that off, and we'll turn that off. And I'll just show you from scratch what you would do. Power it on. You can adjust the firmness setting based on the patient's weight. Maxes out at 400. And down like so. Now if you set it to static mode, make sure that the lock-unlock button is not illuminated. When it's blue there, you won't be able to adjust any of the settings. So press and hold that button until the light goes out, and press static mode. Static mode is going to inflate the mattress up to its maximum pressure without using the alternating valve in the pump. So the entire mattress will inflate evenly. From there, give that about 45 minutes to an hour. Once that's fully inflated, you'll be able to feel it. The top head section will be inflated, the feet evenly. What you'll do then is, of course, unlock it, turn static mode off, and then adjust the pressure as you like. So we'll let this inflate, and we'll check back in a second. Okay, so it's been about 40 minutes now, and I'll show you here, the mattress is entirely inflated. We still have it in static mode, but what we're gonna do, like I said before, just unlock the controls, deactivate static mode, and then set that to where we want. This 0 that you're seeing here is an indication of the resistance pressure on the mattress. So right now, with no weight on it, there isn't going to be any change in this number unless the pressure were to drastically drop. Once a patient is put on the bed, then you'll see this number rise rapidly, and then it'll start to sort of stabilize out. There shouldn't be any cause for concern as to a low or a high number. That's just the value of the air pressure inside and the resistance that the pump is feeling from the outside air pressure against the air in the mattress. So at this point, all you'll need to do is attach the fastener straps under the bed frame. Those are covered in the manual, and put sheets on the bed, and you'll be all set. And that's just about it.